let's have a look at how we can create a dashboard. We can start from the home page, where we have a big button there to start with a blank dashboard. If we click it, we get a pop-up to fill in the name and location of our dashboard. An alternative way to do this is to start from a certain location in your folder structure, show the context menu by right-clicking, and then choose Create Dashboards. Same pop-up appears, and we can fill in a name. Let's do this, and then we get our new dashboard in edit mode. So here in the top section, in the subheader section, we can go in and out of edit mode. You see that different panels are appearing in edit mode, and let's have a look at these now. An important one here is the data section, where we have all our data that can be used in our dashboard. We have a layout section to choose a theme, and we have some advanced settings here in the settings panel. At the left side, we have all our visuals, and basically what we need to do if we want to add components to our dashboard is combining one of these visuals with one of these data items here at the right side. We have two approaches. We can start with a visual, or we can start with a data item. Let's first start with a visual, pick a state component, for example, and drop it into the dashboard. Okay, what we see here is a suggestion to add some data. And if we click the green button here, you will see that the data items that match with this visualization are highlighted. So that's very handy. To give a first introduction, let's just start with a parameter from an element. So I'll choose a Microsoft device. Pick a parameter from the performance page. Here we have the total processor loads. Okay, how can we now link this data object to the visualization that is on the dashboard? We can basically select it and then click the green button, then the link will be established. The second way to do this is drag it and drop it into the components. Okay, if we do that, we see that the linking is established, and we see our parameter which is updated. We can resize it if we want. And also important, if you select it, you will see here some extra tab pages specifically for the selected component. So if I unselect, I have my default tab pages. If I select my component, I have specific tab pages that deal with that components. So let's have a look, quick look what's in there. So for layout, we have some layout options. You can choose for a bigger visualization, for example here, or alternative ways to deal with the state, for example. In the settings tab page, there are some specific settings which are not related to the layout, of course. And those two tab pages contain different settings and configuration options based on the chosen visualization. Okay, so we started with the visualization now, and then dropped or linked it with some data. Let's take the other approach now, where we can start with the data. So we'll take the same parameter, drag it and drop it into the dashboard, and then we'll have to choose a visualization still. Okay, so we can click the small button here, and then we can pick a visualization. There are different options. If I select the same one as before, I can make it look the same as on top here. Okay, good. And if I make it the same size, we will see that this is 2 times the same component, but one started from visual and the second time started from a data section.